Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to upload a short with a custom thumbnail on YouTube from your PC, then this video is for you. So actually, whenever you will try to upload a short here, for example, any short, so it will show you that you won't be able to add a thumbnail from this web browser. You have to go to the YouTube Studio. So from there you also can find this option where you can actually add a thumbnail on your shorts from the studio. So here I am with the solution that you can follow this step to add a custom thumbnail on your shorts. So you have to do only you have to simply download the CapCut PC on your system. Then you have to do is simply cancel, and I'm going to create a project here. Now you have to do is simply add a video from here. So I'm going to add a video from here, for example, any type of video. So I'm going to add this video from here. So from here you have to do is you have to add it as here. So I'm going to add this video to the short ratio. When you have added it short ratio from here, then you can do is simply you can see it is on the short ratio right now for YouTube Shorts. Now whenever you have done editing your shorts, you have to simply click on export, and when you are trying to export, you can find this edit cover option here, and this is the key feature that can help you to solve this annoying issue. So you can simply click on it, and from here you can select from a video any part as a thumbnail, or you can simply click on local, and you can simply click on this plus icon and you can upload any folder from here. For example, I'm going to upload this let me show you, for example, this one here. So I'm going to upload for it. So it will ask for me to cut it down, so just like this. You can also edit it just like this, and after editing that, simply click on save, and it will start saving your custom thumbnail. Here you can see it will look like this, and this is actually the demo, or you can say this is for this video example. So you can use your own custom eye-catchy and clickable thumbnail for your YouTube Shorts. After adding this, you can export it, and whenever you are trying to upload this video, it will upload with this cover that you have added for your shorts. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.